Hi, this is Ray Davis. I'm with Fast Car Decals and just finished installing this nice stripe kit at Oxmoor Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Louisville, Kentucky. Nice dealership. Nice beautiful truck. It's a 2014. What we put on is a knockoff of the factory. It's called the Force kit. And this one's for the 2011 through the 14. Changes in 2015, but the Force 1, and it's solid. It does come in the silk screen, which is beautiful. Looks a lot like factory, but this one's solid, and it's Avery Supreme wrap, and in the silver metallic. As you can see, it fits real nice. And one of the great things as I take you around is the way that this is made. It's so easy to install. At the very front is what I'd recommend installing first, and when you look at it, the next one we'll film as a tutorial on how to install this, but everything's there for you to gauge up against the car. It's got little tabs that show you where it goes, so there's no guessing. And then you install the door first. Highly recommend that. Then the back door and the back bed, that's all one piece. Easy to install, cut between the doors. I'll show you some tricks on that on the next video. And then the back piece is by itself. Easy to install. Beautiful looking kit. You can do it yourself or have someone install it for you, but it's a very nice install. Really makes the car, the truck stand up and look good, and give it that powerful look. I'll show you the other side. Bring you around. Like I said, there's several little things in this stripe kit that make it easy to install. It's got little markers to show you where to put them. And the next one I install, I will do a in-depth installation on it. Show you some little tips and tricks, but everything's pre-cut. The only thing you really have to cut is the doors, and that's pretty easy. But it's a pretty straight up kit. It's for the Ford F150 truck. The crew cab, it's got extra length on it so you can get a long bed. So if you got a short bed, you got plenty. If you got a long bed, there's enough. And again, it's a really nice stripe kit. It's for the 2004. Now the 2005 is the Force 2, and it's a little different. Ford changed it, and we copied, or we came close to it, emulated it, if you will. And it looks great. It looks great. So I'll be doing a video of that here soon. And but I just want to pass this on. Thanks for watching. This is Fast Car Decals. Please like us and subscribe to us, and we appreciate your business. Thank you.